Have you ever been in that awkward situation? You're out with friends, splitting the bill, and someone says, "Oh, just Venmo me." But then comes the fumbling, the asking for usernames, the "is it two L's or one?" It's a minor inconvenience, sure, but in our fast-paced, instant gratification world, even minor inconveniences feel, well, inconvenient. What if there was a way to bypass all that username hunting and just, boom, send or request money instantly, with a simple scan? Well, there is. And it's probably been hiding in plain sight in your Venmo app all along. We're talking about Venmo QR codes. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking, QR codes? Aren't those, like, from the early 2010s? Do people still use those? The answer, my friends, is a resounding yes, especially in the world of mobile payments. Venmo, always at the forefront of user-friendliness, has masterfully integrated QR codes to make your payment experience smoother, faster, and surprisingly more secure. Today, we're diving deep into the magical world of Venmo QR codes. This isn't just a quick tutorial, this is your comprehensive guide to unlocking the full potential of this incredibly useful feature. We're going to cover everything, from generating your own personal QR code, to scanning someone else's, to using them for business transactions, and even troubleshooting common issues. By the end of this video, you'll be a Venmo QR code master, effortlessly sending and receiving money with a simple tap and a scan. No more awkward silences, no more misspelled usernames, just seamless transactions. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a Venmo QR code? In essence, it's a unique digital fingerprint for your Venmo account. When someone scans your Venmo QR code, it instantly pulls up your profile within the Venmo app, pre-populating your username so the sender doesn't have to type it in. It's like a digital business card, but for payments. Think of it as a shortcut, a direct portal to your Venmo identity. This simple yet powerful innovation eliminates the need for manual entry, significantly reducing the chances of errors and speeding up the payment process. Imagine splitting a pizza with friends. Instead of everyone shouting out their usernames, one person displays their QR code, and everyone else scans it to send their share. Simple, elegant, and efficient. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. How do you find and generate your own Venmo QR code? It's surprisingly easy. Open your Venmo app. Look in the bottom center of your screen for a button that looks like a QR code scanner. It's often nestled between the Pay and Request and Cards icons. Tap that icon. Voila! You'll be presented with two main options, Scan and My Code. To find your personal QR code, simply tap My Code. And there it is. Your unique Venmo QR code, ready to be shared with the world, or, at least, with your friends and family. You can take a screenshot of it, save it to your photos, or even print it out. Venmo also provides options to directly share your QR code through various messaging apps or social media, making it even more convenient. You can also customize your QR code by adding your profile picture, making it instantly recognizable to those who scan it. Okay, you've got your code. Now, how do you use it to receive money? This is where the magic truly happens. When someone wants to pay you using your QR code, simply display your My Code screen on your phone. The sender will then open their Venmo app, tap the QR code scanner icon, and point their phone's camera at your QR code. Almost instantaneously, your Venmo profile will appear on their screen. They can then enter the amount they want to send, add a note, always a good idea to specify what the payment is for, and hit pay. It's that simple. No searching, no typing, just a quick scan and a tap. This is incredibly useful in various scenarios, from splitting bills at a restaurant to collecting money for a group gift, or even for small businesses accepting payments. But what if you're the one who needs to send money using a QR code? Equally straightforward. Let's say your friend is displaying their QR code. You'll open your Venmo app, tap the QR code scanner icon, the same one you used to find your own code, and your phone's camera will activate. Center your friend's QR code within the frame, and Venmo will automatically recognize it. Their profile will pop up, and you can then proceed to enter the amount, add a note, and send the payment. It's a seamless, almost futuristic way to transfer funds. Think about it. No more asking, "What's your Venmo handle again?" Just a quick scan and you're done. This speed and accuracy are what make Venmo QR codes so appealing. Beyond personal transactions, Venmo QR codes are also a game changer for small businesses and freelancers. Imagine a local coffee shop where you can pay by scanning a QR code at the counter. Or a street vendor who accepts Venmo payments without needing a bulky card reader. Venmo offers business profiles which allow businesses to generate unique QR codes linked directly to their business account. This not only streamlines the payment process but also offers enhanced security features and transaction tracking. If you're a small business owner, setting up a Venmo business profile and utilizing QR codes can significantly simplify your payment collection and provide a convenient option for your customers. It's a low-cost, high-impact solution for modernizing your payment system. Let's talk about security and privacy. You might be wondering, is it safe to just display my QR code to anyone? Venmo QR codes are designed with security in mind. While anyone can scan your code to find your profile, they can't access your sensitive financial information. They can only send you money. Think of it like giving someone your phone number. They can call you, but they can't access your messages or bank account. Venmo also employs robust encryption and fraud detection systems to protect your transactions. However, it's always good practice to be mindful of who you're sharing your code with, just as you would with any other personal information. Avoid sharing it in public, unsecured places, and always double-check the recipient's name before confirming a payment. What about troubleshooting common issues? Sometimes, technology can be a little finicky. If your Venmo QR code isn't scanning, here are a few things to check. Lighting. Ensure there's adequate lighting. Too dark or too bright can make it difficult for the camera to read the code. Focus. Make sure your phone's camera is properly focused on the QR code. Distance. Try adjusting the distance between your phone and the QR code. Sometimes being too close or too far away can hinder the scan. Damage/quality of code. If it's a printed QR code, ensure it's not smudged, torn, or low resolution. A clean, clear image is essential. App updates. Ensure your Venmo app is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Permissions. Check if Venmo has camera access permissions enabled in your phone settings. If you've tried all these and are still having trouble, contacting Venmo support directly is always a good option. Their customer service team is usually quite responsive and can help diagnose more specific issues. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.